Hello, welcome to Applied Virtual Solutions. My name is May. In today's video, we're diving into working from home, where the boundaries between your personal and professional life blur in the most incredible ways. Whether you're a seasoned remote worker or just starting out on this exciting journey, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into today's content, which is amazing and necessary. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on a video. Without further ado, let's get started. Unlocking opportunities. Find your dream job with apps in the digital era. In today's fast-paced digital world, job opportunities are just a tap away. Whether you're an aspiring professional or looking to switch careers, apps can open doors in various industries and technology. Join us on a journey to discover how you can find your dream job using apps.
In today's fast-paced digital world, job opportunities are just a tap away. Whether you're an aspiring professional or looking to switch careers, apps can open doors in various industries and technology roles. Join us on a journey to discover how you can find your dream job using apps. Are you passionate about technology? Apps like Codecademy and Udacity offer coding courses and projects that can help you become a software developer, data analyst, or even a cybersecurity expert. GitHub, essential for version control and collaboration on coding projects. Udacity offers courses and projects for tech professionals. LinkedIn, for networking and job search in the tech sector. Codecademy, for learning programming languages. With these tech skills, you can land jobs at top tech companies, startups, or freelance from anywhere in the world. Creative industry. If you have a creative flair, apps like Adobe Creative Cloud and Canva can turn your artistic talents into a fulfilling career. From graphic design to video editing, the possibilities are endless. Behance, a platform to showcase your creative portfolio. Canva, user-friendly design tool for creating graphics and visuals. Adobe Creative Cloud, a suite of apps for graphic design, video editing, and more. Fiverr, a marketplace to offer your creative services to clients. Use these creative apps to create portfolios and connect with clients or companies looking for your unique skills. Healthcare industry. In the healthcare industry, apps like Doximity and UpToDate provide resources for doctors, nurses, and other healthcare professionals to stay up to date with the latest research and medical information. Health eCareers, job search platform dedicated to the healthcare industry. UpToDate, a clinical decision support resource for healthcare practitioners. Medscape offers medical news, clinical references, and continuing education. Doximity connects healthcare professionals and provides medical resources. You can also find job listings on healthcare job search apps, making it easier to find opportunities in this essential field. Dream of being your own boss? Apps like Shopify and Square can help you start and run your own business. From e-commerce to small cafes, these apps provide tools to manage finances, inventory, and sales. QuickBooks, accounting software for small business owners. Shopify, e-commerce platform for setting up online stores. Square, payment processing and point-of-sale system for small businesses. Trello, helps in project management and organization. With determination and the right apps, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. These apps are the modern-day job boards that can connect you with your dream job. Glassdoor provides company reviews, salary information, and job listings. LinkedIn, for networking, job search, and professional profile management. Indeed, a comprehensive job search platform with millions of job listings. ZipRecruiter, a job board that matches job seekers with employers. In today's digital age, apps have transformed the way we work and find job opportunities. Whether you're in tech, the creative industry, healthcare, or starting your own business, there's an app for you. So, take the leap, download those apps, and unlock a world of career possibilities. Your dream job may be just a few taps away. Embrace the digital era and find your path to success. It's time to make your dream job a reality with the power of apps.
Hey there, amazing members of my YouTube community. I hope this message finds you all well. I wanted to take just a minute of your time to invite you to visit my vibrant and engaging community page right here on YouTube. My community page is the heart of our online family, where we come together to share our thoughts, ideas, and passions. It's a place where you can stay updated on all things related to my channel and connect with fellow members who share your interests. What can you expect from the community page? Well, I'll be sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses, exclusive content, polls to help shape future videos, and so much more. It's an excellent way for us to interact on a more personal level. So if you haven't already, please click the community tab right below my channel page to find up-to-date information on what's happening on my channel. I'd love to have you on board. Remember, it's your support and engagement that keeps my channel going, and I can't wait to share even more exciting quizzes, content, and experiences with you on my community page. Thank you for being an incredible part of my YouTube family, and I look forward to connecting with you on my community page, so stay awesome and see you there. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. Your support means the world to me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest content, and it really helps our channel grow. If you have any thoughts, comments, or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comment section below. I like hearing from you and value your feedback. And finally, if you want to be the first to know when I release new videos, make sure to ring that notification bell so you'll never miss an upload. Thank you once again. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay awesome.